Here we have Windows 10 with the PS Windows Update PowerShell module installed. Our first step is to ensure that the environment is up to date. The basic environment is. If updates are needed, they can be installed with a few extra flags. Be sure to only use the auto reboot flag if now is a suitable time for a reboot. Now let's install winget and a few dependencies. Without a package manager, we'll have to install them manually. The process for each package will look quite similar. We'll download one or more assets, extract as needed, validate what we're about to install, and then install it. First up is the Windows UI library, UI.xaml. Let's download the NuGet linked in the project's README. We don't have .NET installed, but like many package formats, a .new PKG is really just an archive. We'll name our download with the .zip extension since some Windows tools are picky about those. Extract the zip to get at the appx file. Let's validate the embedded digital signature in the appx. Looks good. Let's install that. Next, we need the Visual C++ runtime libraries. Let's download the appx linked in the Visual Studio troubleshooting documentation. Validate the digital signature. Good to go, and install. With the dependencies installed, we can now install the Windows Package Manager CLI, also known as winget. Let's download the MSIX bundle from the project's GitHub releases. This project also provides a SHA-256 of the MSIX bundle in the correspondingly named TXT file. Let's compare the SHA contained in the TXT file to our downloaded MSIX bundle. For basic validation of an asset securely downloaded from a trusted domain, such as this, I'm comfortable with a simple visual comparison. I generally compare the first and last 4 to 6 characters, then check 1 or 2 random spots in the middle. Compare the hashes programmatically as you see fit. This download looks good to me. Time to install. Let's check our installation. Looks good.